Okay, now I'm alright.
Alright, this time I know I've had some doubts on my first episode because they didn't see me add the cough syrup. So this is the Man vs. Cough, Michael vs. Cough Syrup retake, alright? And you're gonna see the cough syrup go in the Kool-Aid. This is Kool-Aid, alright? It's going in.
Now wait, just a minute. Now people, don't you think that's a whole bunch of Kool-Aid than just that cough syrup, don't you think? Don't you think he needs to add a little bit more cough syrup? What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah.
You suck!
Yeah.
Get off the stage!
Yeah. Alright, there you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, we know.
They want him to add more cough syrup. Here it is.
I'm gonna fill
Will he do
I'm gonna
it?
fill it up to the top. Alright, see, I'm still adding. It's not Kool-Aid. Because it tastes like shit, just to let you know.
There it is going in.
I still got, ooh, fuck. Yeah, y'all sons of bitches gonna... Tell you one thing, you ask me to do this one more time, I'm gonna kill y'all. That tastes about the same, really. Alright, and to do one better, as soon as I get done with this, I'm gonna chug the rest of that. It's about... It'd probably come up to here on this, I don't know.
Okay.
Alright, before I do it... Michael versus cough syrup.
Okay, here we go. Part 2.
What?
Part 2.
Yeah, part 2, because y'all are dicks. 1, 2, 3.
Three of us will travel to some of the most highly active paranormal locations where we will spend an entire night being locked down from dusk.
Now that tastes like shit.
Now. Oh my god, this is gonna be.
I gotta add Kool-Aid to it. Yeah, I got a mustache. Oh, come here. Oh. We're gonna take a quick break.
We just arrived in
Oh, that'll make you sick. Cut. I'm not drinking the rest.